organizing, especially with inexpensive items. That's why I love shopping at Dollar Tree. They have some of the best organization items, so I'm gonna show you all my favorites for the kitchen. I have a pretty small pantry, so I like to keep it nice and organized, and I love the Dollar Tree bins. I recently picked up these gray and blue ones. Now, a lot of times I use clear bins in here, but I've been loving these bins. So I got 3 containers that look like this, and if you're needing organization bins, January is the best time to pick them up at Dollar Tree. I also picked up this bin. Last year I bought it in black, so I'm so excited that it has the blue this year. So I got 3 of these. And what I like to do is just organize the different items. So I have snacks up here. I have my vitamins and supplements, some macaroni for the kids and onions. And then these are different like vinegars and oils that we use. Below here, I keep just our different like pretzels and chips and things like that. If you have a small pantry, this pull-out shelf is very useful. I actually buy them off of Amazon. And the cool thing about it is you can just slide it onto your shelf. You don't have to like screw anything or glue it in place. And it's a great way to make another shelf for your pantry. I have these random containers at the top of my pantry that are super disorganized, so I wanted to get them a little bit more organized. So I found these 4 wooden containers at Dollar Tree, and I thought if I put them all together, it would make a really sturdy organization piece. So I used some E6000 and added that to 2 of the sides of each of the boxes, stuck them together, and since E6000 takes overnight to dry, I used some binder clips to hold them in place until it had time to dry. Now that it's been overnight, I'm going to just remove the binder clips. It's completely sturdy, everything's held together. Now I'm going to organize these items in here that I want to keep, like my gum. I definitely want to put that in here. I have some chip clips, so I'm actually going to get out the ones I use and keep those. I have some rubber bands and different things like that. So let's get this organized. So I love this so much better. I have my gum, rubber bands, and then I did 2 different sections of chip clips. These are binder clips, so I'm gonna put this where I keep my office supplies. They really don't go in here, and then I'm gonna get rid of this. If you have a shallow drawer in your refrigerator, these containers are awesome. Now I know these are supposed to be for cans of soda, but what I like to use these for is actually storing snacks and like lunch supplies down in our shallow drawer. It's really easy to separate them all out, and they're only $1.25. If you're looking for a container to organize your fridge, I want to show you these Dollar Tree containers. They are awesome. They are clear, they have handles on them. They're perfect for putting in all of the different items you have in your fridge. You can typically put 3 or 4 of them across a row, and I love these. I can easily pull them out and put them back in, and everything stays nice and organized. Now, if you're looking for a container to store your fruit, I love these little ones from Dollar Tree. They're $1.25. I probably don't need to keep saying that, but yes, they're $1.25. They're also BPA free. They're great for storing your fruit because they have a strainer piece, they lock in place, and I love that they're clear so you can see what's inside, and they come in a bunch of different colors. So if you don't want to spend the money buying smaller containers of juice or little drink items for your kids, you can get a set of glass containers with lids. You can get something similar at Dollar Tree, but these are from Amazon. I have a pack of 10 of them. I'll link them for you down in the description box. But what I like to do just for like a special treat is I'll put these little, they're kind of like Crystal Light packages, but they're from Walmart. They're the Walmart brand. I'll put them in here, add in some water, and then I just mix it together, and it's a fun drink my kids can have in the fridge. And since they have a lid, they're portable, so they can take them and go. You guys know I love to label the items in my fridge. I recently found these labels off of Amazon. What I love about these is they're peel and sticks. You put them onto a container and then you can pull them up and put them back on at another time. Some of the labels I've had in the past, they're just like a one-use item. So when they get messed up, you have to repurchase them. These are kind of like a thick plastic and they're supposed to last a little bit longer. They only come with 10 labels, so there's not as many options. So that's the only downside I see with these. I don't live close to a health food store, so I love ordering online through Thrive Market. It comes straight to my door. If you're not familiar with Thrive Market, it's an online membership-based grocery store that really makes healthy living easy and affordable. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. There's two types of memberships you can get with Thrive. You can do a monthly membership for $12 a month, or you can do a yearly membership of $5 a month, but it's going to be billed annually at $59.95. Thrive Market members save on every single order on some of the best high quality organic products, and if you can find the product cheaper, they'll even price match. This is a whole wheat pasta that I'm really excited to try out. Once you join, you can check out the deals page on their website to find the best deals on some of your favorite brands. I also love on their website that you can actually filter by your diet or lifestyle. I've been really focused on doing high protein, so I love these chickpea pastas. I found this chickpea pasta that's a mac and cheese, so I'm gonna try this out with my kids. Let me know if your kids like this and if they've tried it. You can also search by specific brands, so I'm really excited to try these jalapeno lime chips. They look really good. I always order a ton of stuff for my kids as well. I was needing some multivitamins and I found these ones. They're by Mary Roos. They're the gummy style multivitamin. Crossing my fingers that they like these. Some staples I always get for my kids are the Annie's products. They love these. They have a ton of Annie's products on Thrive Market. And then one of their favorites are these Cliff Z bars. They love the iced oatmeal cookie one. If I need any cleaning products, I'll pick those up as well. I grabbed some dish soap from 7th Generation. And of course I couldn't leave out Little Moose. I got him some dog treats from the Honest Kitchen. Your Thrive order is gonna ship for free when you spend over $49. It's gonna be delivered with carbon neutral shipping, and it's coming from a zero waste warehouse. Go check out Thrive Market. A lot of these items you might already be purchasing every day. I'm gonna put the link for you down in the description box, or you can go to thrivemarket.com/LizFenwick to get 30% off of your first order, and you can get a gift worth up to $60 when you sign up for Thrive today. I saw this eco-friendly hack on TikTok where the person took their paper towels, cut them in half so that you had double the amount of paper towels. I'm gonna see if this works because I love this idea if it does work. So I'm just gonna use a bread knife and try to saw them down the middle. All right, let's try this knife. The serrated knife is getting a little messy. Let's try my green knife. This is what I use to cut all my vegetables.
Going back to the bread knife.
Going back to the bread.
It cuts the dust.
Kind of a workout. All right, I went through the center, but my paper towels are not the best. See, I got this order last night from Walmart, and I was telling Delaney, I don't feel like these were the best quality paper towels, so that may be why it's not working so well. Maybe if I had a better paper towel, it would work. So the concept is you're supposed to be able to put it on your paper towel roll, and then you have double the paper towels. So you can like pull them off the bottom as well as pull them off the top. Great concept. I think I need better paper towels. Hey, on your guys' way back, can you go by Hy-Vee and pick up like some better quality paper towels? Well, the brand that I have, they're just not cutting because they're not, or like maybe Bounty. I just need a higher quality paper towel because this is not working. All right, no rush. Okay, thanks. All right, to be determined. I recently learned something new about putting a trash bag on. Now, if you're like me, you probably get your trash bag out and you go like this, and then you just stick it into your trash can. Well, that's not how you're supposed to put it on. So the way you're supposed to put it on is you're actually supposed to put it on with this portion on the outside, and then you push the entire trash bag in the middle. It's supposed to stay on better. Now you can see that the seams are actually on the inside of the trash bag now. So let me know what you think. Are you gonna start putting your trash bags in like this? If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is kitchen. Dollar Tree definitely has their baskets out this time of year. Now this basket was out last year, but this color is new. This like blue-gray color, I saw it and I had to get it. I got this round one. I also picked up some baskets, but I love that Dollar Tree is listening to us as far as like getting more neutral home decor style colors. So this would be great to put in any fruit that you may have. Honestly, you could use this anywhere in your house, but today's video, I'm definitely focusing on the kitchen. So I wanna make sure I show you some great kitchen ideas for the Dollar Tree items. Let's talk spices. They can be really difficult to organize, and I've tried a lot of different systems. This current system's working pretty well for me. So the first thing I always love for my spices is this turnstile. It's not from Dollar Tree, it's actually from Walmart, but I love being able to just spin this around and pull off spices. Up here, these are Dollar Tree containers, and I will keep spices in here. I love that I can pull it out and easily see the different spices. These are the spices I don't use that often. But then down here, next to my turnstile, I have two different things. I have this blue container, and that's where I keep all of these different like ranch packets and like taco seasoning. But this is a tip for your spices. I bet there's probably 4 to 5 spices that you use very frequently. Pull those out and put them together in a container. And that's going to be the container you reach for the most. Because a lot of times we fish through all of our spices when we're just looking for the same 4 containers. So put a container together with your 4 or 5 favorites and it'll make finding your spices a lot easier. Organizing your kitchen can be one of the most tricky areas to organize in your house, and it can be overwhelming. So my strategy is to organize by zones. I don't tackle my entire kitchen in one day. So maybe I'll work on my fridge one day, my pantry another day, you know, maybe pick 2 cabinets to work on another day. Another day I might work underneath my sink. So just break it up into different zones. It'll make it a lot easier. One of my favorite items in my kitchen from Dollar Tree is this cupcake container. You don't have to spend $20 on these anymore. You can get it for $1.25. It's an easy way to transport your cupcakes. The only downside to this one would be it only has 9 slots. So if you're making a dozen, that's kind of a bummer, but you could always buy 2 of these. It would definitely be worth it for the $2.50. If you're on Instagram, consider following me at Fenwick DIY. I'm posting daily DIYs and so much behind the scenes content. I have a hack for you if you want to store your cleaning supplies in your cabinets on the door. Now I picked these up off of Amazon. They are command hooks that are specifically for your cleaning supplies. You can also grab them at Home Depot as well. What you're going to do is take them out of the package, and then they have command strips on the back. You're going to pull those off and place them onto your cabinet, and then you could just place your cleaning supplies on here. Close the cabinet. This is a great way to make use out of that vertical space. We all have that junk drawer that everyone goes into to pull out random things. My strategy in my kitchen is to keep that drawer as small as possible. So I have it as a tiny drawer, and what I use it for are scissors, pens, pencils, those things that we need really frequently. I use some Dollar Tree organizers just to kind of separate everything out, and I go through it, I would say every other month, and reorganize it, but it's a great way to keep your junk drawer semi-organized. These containers may look similar to ones you've seen at Dollar Tree in the past, but they're even cuter. They have these little lines on them, so super cute. So pick these up if you're looking for some clear containers. I would have to say one of my best buys at Dollar Tree for my kitchen is the towel bar that I keep on the cabinet underneath my sink. I love having a towel really close to where I'm washing my hands or doing dishes. It's a lot better than hanging it over here, maybe on my oven, and it just fits nicely onto my cabinet, and I can put my towel on there. I wanted to show you guys this drawer because I have a lot of Dollar Tree items in here. Now the biggest item is not from Dollar Tree. This is an organizer I picked up at Target. I'll link it for you down below, but it's just an organizer. It was around $12 where you can put your gallon size Ziploc bags, quart, sandwich, and snack. Also in this drawer I have these white plastic kitchen organizers, and then I keep in here the Dollar Tree measuring cups. I have about 2 sets, and in the back I have the Dollar Tree measuring spoons. My husband Chris was out shopping, so he was nice enough to get us some of these Bounty paper towels. I don't know if they're gonna do any better. Obviously the Walmart brand didn't work very well, so I'm gonna try to cut through the Bounty paper towels and see if we can make this hack work. see. Let's see how far. Oh, okay. I don't think I've gotten to the center portion. That was kind of a lot of work. Now maybe my knives are not sharp enough and I need a sharper knife, or maybe I need to use my hacksaw. I'm not really sure, but this paper towel works so much better. Typically I buy the paper towels at Costco, those Kirkland ones, but I was out of them. So these did not work as well. They kind of fell apart. Maybe try it with your sharpest knife and a better quality paper towel like the Bounty. I definitely think it's a cool hack to save paper towels because a lot of times you don't need a full paper towel. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite organizing idea was. I love knowing your opinion, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.